guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm really excited to do this video today because it's going to be talking about everything regenerative medicine and aesthetics. I picked, in my opinion, the best performing treatments that we offer in my business and that I've tried on, of course, my patients, myself, and my staff. And it's really tried and true. It's not just smoke in the mirrors, it's truly delivering clinically proven results. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First up is PRF, which is very well known. It is platelet-rich fibrin, and the way that we get this is we actually draw your blood and then we spin it down in a centrifuge, and it splits up your blood cells based on molecular weight. You'll see the red blood cells at the bottom and then the white blood cells at the top. And the white blood cells we're most interested in because it is rich in platelets. Platelets are the cells that are responsible for wound healing. So when you inject it underneath the eyes, for example, or other areas of thin skin, it really helps that skin to develop more thickness, more strength, and just overall a better, healthy skin. But we found out later that when you actually heat this up and cool it down, it forms a fibrin clot, also known as easy gel. And why this is superior than regular PRF is because it slowly releases growth factors over 3 weeks instead of 3 days like the traditional PRF. But if you want to get even more fancy, and what I love about aesthetics is that we're constantly evolving, constantly advancing our own field. Now we have PDGF, and PDGF stands for platelet-derived growth factors. Basically, this is up to 300,000 times more potent than PRF. And I love this because you're always guaranteeing a same exact dose every single time, whereas PRF is really dependent on the patient's health and age. Not everyone has the same amount of platelets or if they are high quality or not. PDGF, basically how this was made was a scientist at Harvard identified a DNA in the human genome that was responsible for expressing a protein that is shown during wound healing. It's basically an amino acid sequence that turns into a protein called the BB protein, and that's the first thing that is shown when it is regenerating wounds. It's highly studied and FDA approved in those specialties, but I love that it's in aesthetics now because we can also do it underneath eyelids. We can also do it for fine lines around the mouth and then in the neck. So obsessed with the PDGF. These are my favorite two injectables when it comes to collagen stimulation in thin areas. Let's talk about other areas of the face that is overall helping the skin health. And first up is the Regenerative Healing Essence, also known as salmon DNA, salmon sperm, or salmon PDRN. They found in Korea that salmon DNA is 98% identical to the human DNA. And reason why we want this in our skin when we apply it topically with microneedling is that it provides a nice radiance and a nice glow. So in Korea, all they do every 4 months is they do their Botox, or the Latibo is very popular over there, and the Rejuvenate, and that's what makes their skin really healthy, really glowy without the fine lines or wrinkles. Okay, next up is the Silfirm. Silfirm is one of my beloved treatments. If you see me kind of dangle this down, you could see that there is 25 24 karat gold pins that are released every time the pin is triggered with the machine, which is obviously not shown here. But what I love about this is that when you have radio frequency, which is basically just heat, combined with microneedling, it helps produce collagen and elastin, and it's basically like a shrink wrap for the skin. I think that this, in my opinion, is superior than Morpheus because Morpheus goes into a layer that could potentially melt the fat, and then there's heat that is along the entire probe of the needle, which can cause a lot of pain, a lot of downtime. This is highly studied in terms of shrink wrap and tightening the skin. My analogy for this is when you get a raw piece of steak, it's nice and plump and juicy, and then you put it on a pan and it shrinks down. We're basically doing the same thing with your tissue. We're heating it up to create a nice wrap for your skin. Last but not least, this is my beloved Sculptra. Obsessed with this. This is areas that I put in for volume loss. So I love it. Off-label for temporal hollowing or temporal loss, where you have the saggy eyelids and eyebrows. Placing it in the temples, underneath the cheekbone, along the jawline is beautiful for collagen stimulation. All these treatments, the more you do, the better it gets. So I do recommend at least 3 treatments separated 6 weeks apart for the best results, but these should all be combined together to get you the best results. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. See you next time.